Hello everyone, and welcome to 5 Designers Group. This is our YouTube channel, where we humbly share our projects reflecting design, detail, and thoughtful deliver. Welcome to a distinguished plotted development, strategically located at the starting point of the Purvanchal Expressway ramps on the service lane of the Sultanpur, Lucknow Highway. Spread across approximately 25 acres, this thoughtfully planned township enjoys exceptional connectivity, high visibility, and immense future potential, making it a landmark destination in the region. Designed as a secure, gated community, the township offers well-planned plots, wide internal roads, and a peaceful environment that blends comfort with modern infrastructure. Residents will benefit from 24/7 security, landscaped green parks, children's play areas, street lighting, and essential civic amenities, ensuring a safe and well-organized lifestyle. More than just a plotted development, this project represents progress, pride, and long-term value, a place where today's vision becomes tomorrow's legacy. Welcome to a township built at the threshold of growth and opportunity. Thank you for watching and for giving us your valuable time. We hope you enjoyed exploring our work at 5 Designers Group. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design projects, ideas, and updates. Your support encourages us to keep creating meaningful and thoughtful designs. See you in the next video.